Alright guys, so I'm still in Philly. Can't come to Philly and not have a cheesesteak. It's like a law. So I found this place in my travels to my pizzeria. It's called Frank's Steaks and Burgers. 100% beef, and they have 100% ribeye steak. They have the 6-inch and they have the 12-inch. And you know, they'll cut it up, but not too much. They don't chop it up like normally cheesesteak does. And they got the cheese fries. They got some nice looking burgers. So we're here for a cheesesteak, so let's check it out. Alright, so kind of small for what I'm used to. Alright. And I see a lot of juice. So it's a lot, I would say maybe greasy. So, and 100% ribeye, fried onions, Cooper Sharp, Amoroso roll. So let's go for the kill. Don't be scared about all the wetness. It's actually real good. It's above your regular pizzeria type cheesesteaks. You got the ribeye and you got the Cooper Sharp, and it's actually really tasty. Pretty thick, a lot of meat. Actually pretty good, guys. So I think I will give Frank's 7161 Frankfurt Avenue, Philadelphia. I'll give them like an 8 of a 10 in flavor. It's pretty good. So you guys better check them out. Frank's Steaks and Burgers. Whenever you guys in Philly, you got to try it out. It's, like I say, it's above all your pizzeria cheesesteak. This is pretty good. It's not the King's, but it's an 8 of the 10. So there's my review, guys. So hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe, follow me, and to the next video, guys. Have a good day. Stay safe.